Your teacher will send you your username and your password. Enter those in the upper right-hand corner of the website. The intro movie will launch, and then the home base menu will appear. The home base opens access to all 16 lessons, depending on the linear release or open access mode selected by your teacher. For most effective learning, the default setting is linear release, where the lessons open in a specific sequence. Lessons in yellow have been opened by the student. Those in blue are available to children but have not yet been opened. Lessons that are grayed out are not yet available. Open access allows students to move about the lessons as they choose. Lessons will appear blue until selected, then change yellow. The first time a lesson opens, it will release the Say Art, See Art, and Do Art sections in sequence. Entering a lesson will launch a short intro movie. Once complete, students are prompted to pick another activity from the side panel. At that time, the activities in the Say Art section become unlocked for the student. After completing all activities in Say Art, the See Art section will be unlocked. Then, after the child completes the activities in the See Art section, the Do Art section will be unlocked. It's important to note, the Language of Art lesson does not have a See Art section. It's recommended that students participate in every lesson activity on the left side before moving on to the Challenge and Do Art Creativity Builders at the bottom. If students skip past the interactive portions of activities, they'll miss key elements and facts needed for the challenges and Do Art Creativity Builders of the lesson. Once all the activities have been completed, students are prepared to take the challenge. Questions within the challenges cover content from the lesson activities. Students earn artist cards and puzzle pieces for correctly completing the challenge questions. If only some of the challenge questions are answered correctly, then only some of the artist cards and puzzle pieces for that lesson will be earned. Students may retake a challenge in order to earn all of the artist cards and puzzle pieces. To view the puzzle pieces and artist cards, click on the Puzzle or Artist Cards link at the bottom of the screen. When viewing the puzzle page, the puzzle pieces can be moved by clicking and dragging. They can be rotated by hitting the spacebar. Students should hit the Save button before exiting the puzzle. At the end of all 16 lessons, students will be able to complete the puzzle and unlock a short animated clip. The artist card page allows students to collect cards showing some of the world's most famous artists. Each artist card shows an image of the artist and reveals a little bit about their life, personality, time period, and the style of art in which they worked. Clicking on an artist card enlarges it for viewing, and clicking on the Store This Card button returns it to the collection. Children can return to the lesson by clicking Close. Students can click on My Scores at the bottom of the screen to see their scores in each challenge. Creativity builders are hands-on art and creativity projects using the principles covered in that particular lesson. 2 per lesson, they are located under the Do Art heading in the lower left-hand menu. Students may complete these activities on their own or in a group setting. Within each creativity builder, students can click on the Idea gizmo at the bottom of the screen to get fun ideas and project templates for the activities. To access information from the Idea gizmo, students should click on the 2 large handles. Some creativity builder activities come with supplemental materials. A download design icon will appear at the bottom of the Idea gizmo if there are extra materials. Click on the icons to download these materials to your computer in a PDF format. Students' artwork can be entered into a digital portfolio by clicking on My Portfolio tab at the far left edge of the screen. Artwork must be entered into the portfolio in a JPEG or PNG format and under 2 megabytes in size. After clicking Portfolio, click on Import My Artwork. A Finder window of the artwork choices available on your computer will appear. Select the artwork you wish to import and click the Select button. The selected artwork will appear in the portfolio. Once entered into the portfolio, artwork can be titled and text comments can be added. After entering comments, the user must click Save and close this artwork. Clicking on the Art Gallery tab at the far left edge of the screen provides detailed information about the work discussed in the lessons. The Art Gallery is a helpful reference for the Creativity Builders activity. If viewing the Art Gallery from the home base, you will see the artwork from all 16 lessons. If viewing the Art Gallery while in a particular lesson, you will see just the artwork featured in that lesson. Clicking on the Glossary tab at the far left edge of the screen provides access to a comprehensive glossary containing art terms used in the lessons. As with the art gallery, the glossary can be viewed from home base or from any lesson. Students should click the Quit button in the upper right corner of Creativity Express window to exit the program. Using the Quit button rather than simply closing the window allows for more accurate time tracking of use.